All right, so this is my video for the challenging concepts during this module. My first challenging concept was the account selection screen for dual role users. The purpose in the project, Rocket App supports users who hold both a customer role and courier role under the same login. When such a user signs in, the app cannot automatically enter either tab layout. You must first ask which role the user wants to act for this session. The account selection screen handles that decision and stores the active role in React context so the rest of the app can respond accordingly. The reason why it was challenging was managing a three-way authentication state: customer only, courier only, and dual role. The authguard and layout TSX runs a user fetch that reads customer ID, courier ID, and active role from context every time any of those values change. Getting the branching logic right, including is dual role and active role equal to null condition that triggers the selection screen, require careful reasoning about which state combinations were valid and what order they could arrive. A second challenge was navigation. The selection screen uses router.replace, so it removed the navigation stack after the user picks a role, making it impossible to navigate back during a session. Concept 2, account management screens with role-specific API endpoints. Both customers and couriers can view and update their contact details, email, and phone number from their respective account tabs. The primary login email is displayed read-only, and the role-specific email, phone are editable. All changes persist to the database via REST IPA calls. It was challenging because two distinct challenges arose here. First, API endpoints. Um, Give me just a second here. First, API endpoint design. The get and post endpoints follow opposite conventions. The get request includes the user type as a query parameter. Get API account ID type user query, so the server knows which role specific record to fetch. The post put request omits the query parameter put API account ID because the request body contains the full update payload. Getting these backwards caused silent failures that were hard to diagnose. Second, component reuse. Rather than writing two separate account screens for customer and courier, a single account form, the component accepts a role prop, customer courier. It uses that prop to select correct field labels, pass to the GET request, and read the right nested object. The third concept that was the order confirmation modal with multi-state UI, and notification preferences. Before placing an order, the customer sees a confirmation modal that summarizes the items in total. The modal also lets the user opt in to receive their order confirmation by email and or SMS checkboxes. On confirm, the modal manages a processing state. Two problems made this more complex in a confirmation dialog. First, the multi-state UI management. The modal moves through four states: idle, processing, success, or error. Each state changes on which UI elements are visible: button, spinner, success, trick, error message, which are all interactive. A separate challenge was that the parent component clears the cart immediately after the API call. Second, the notification parameter naming the order post must include two Boolean fields named exactly send email and send SMS. Camel case with SMS in all caps. Use the snake case, send email and send SMS or inconsistent casing cause the server to silently ignore the fields. The checkbox state flows the modal's internal state on confirm callback and handle confirm error to the API request body. So those were my challenges for module 14.